Hey guys, it's Concierge Adrienne here for another edition of Gulf County Live, and we are continuing with our holiday hassle-free tour here in Gulf County. And today I just wanted to say to everyone that the holidays can be very stressful, and so it's always good to have a little bit of time and reprieve for yourself. So today I brought you guys to the beach here at Salinas Park, and what I'm going to do is I'm just turn it around and let you enjoy a moment of zen from our beautiful beaches here in Gulf County. So please enjoy. I hope you guys have enjoyed this little moment of zen from the Gulf County beaches here in Gulf County. Again, I'm at Salinas Park. We wish you and your family a very Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays. If you are interested in visiting Gulf County, want to know where I am in our county, want to come visit our beaches to have a relaxing weekend after the stressful holidays, contact our concierge. You can contact us here by commenting. You can contact us by phone, email, whatever works for you works for us. So give us a call, and we are here to help you. Hope you have happy holidays, and give you a little bit more of this little view before we close out for the day.